Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Today's nail art tutorial is for this cute pandas on Glittery Ombre nail art. This nail art is in collaboration with Nails by Kikai. You can check out her Instagram and YouTube on the description box below. Okay, so I'm applying 2 coats of my favorite peel-off base coat. After letting it dry, I'm applying 1 coat of white nail polish. Then before the ombre, I'm applying liquid latex around the skin of my nails for an easy cleanup. Then I'm applying 3 glittery shades on a cosmetic sponge. Then I'm dabbing it onto my nail. Then repeat painting and dabbing until you reach the full opacity you wanted. Now let's do the cleanup. And it's time for top coat. Now, for the panda designs, I'm using this stamping plate and a black regular nail polish and stamper. Now let's fill it in with colors. Then I'm setting it aside to dry. Once the design on the stamper is dry, I'm applying a fast drying top coat onto my nail. Then after letting it to dry a bit, I'm stamping the design. Now let's move on to other designs. After all of that, I'm applying a thick layer of top coat. And that's it! If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!